We've booked over 500,000 meetings with cold email, and if your emails aren't getting replies, your lead list is the problem. Here's what most people do. They go to Apollo, type in a few filters, and hit download all. Or they use an Apollo scraper to avoid paying for each lead. Then they dump that list into Smart Lead or Instantly, hit send, and hope for replies. And maybe if you're lucky, you're gonna put it through Never Bounce first to check for valid emails. And guess what? That's not enough. That's how you get bounces, outdated contacts, and ignored emails. Apollo is not a lead source. So I don't care what you've seen in the marketing materials, etc. Apollo is not good for cold email sending. It's not good for building a lead list. It's an outdated directory that requires as much processing as it would if you just went fresh and scraped the leads. Luckily, I'm going to show you how to actually do it. First, you need to find company domain names. If you can think of a software that your target market uses, then use Built With. These guys use Olark. They'd be a good fit for my AI live chat software. If you're doing agency services, then look for a niche influencer. For instance, if you're selling cold email services, you might want to scrape my 22,000 LinkedIn followers. Find a niche influencer, put them into Expandy, and grab a list of emails that way. Or if you're looking for local businesses, you can use a tool like Octoparse and just scrape Google Maps. Or if you're like me and you don't want to pay for Built With, you can just use somebody on Fiverr to scrape it for you. I hired Atik M. So then you're gonna load everything into Clay, then check if the company is actually qualified. I just go by employee size. Here's the exact prompt I use. If they're a good fit, then I use this Claygent to find a decision maker and confirm they still work there. Mohammed Reza Ibrahimi. Mohammed Reza Ibrahimi. So you've got their name, you've got the company name and the domain. Then you run it through Find Email to find if anything's missing. If that doesn't work, I use Data GMA. Then validate the email with Never Bounce, giving you a ready to send email. Then go through one more time and make sure that the names and the company formatting are all legitimate. If anything's wrong, you just change it. Then export only the verified leads from Clay into your sending tool. Stop sending cold emails like you just watched an Alex Berman video from 2017. We don't use one inbox. We don't send 30 a day anymore. Now it's all about custom SMTP, domain rotation, and sending only 1 or 2 emails per day per inbox. You can spread that across 100 inboxes, 1,000 inboxes, whatever you want to do. And then if an inbox ever gets marked as spam, we're not warming up to save it, we're just spinning up a new one. Because infrastructure and lead generation is now more important than scripting. Anybody can write a script with AI, but the people that are actually going to win are the ones that can actually get the emails into people's inboxes. If you need help building this the right way, apply to join AB Mastermind. We only take on a couple people every week. In a second, I'll recommend another video that you're going to love. Smash that like button for more content like this. Comment below what you want to see next, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.